మదర్ తెరిసా తన తల్లి తనకు ఆదర్శమని అంటోంది బాలీవుడ్ నటి చంద్రలేఖ ఫేమ్ ఇషా కొప్పికర్. మహిళలు స్వతహాగా శక్తివంతులని, మల్టీ టాస్క్ ఓరియంటెడ్గా ఉంటారని అంటోంది. దాదాపు 15 ఏళ్ల తర్వాత టాలీవుడ్లో మళ్లీ మూవీ చేస్తున్న ఇషా కొప్పికర్తో మా ప్రతినిధి స్వాతి ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్.
ఎన్టీవీ ప్రేక్షకులకి స్వాగతం. ముందుగా మహిళా లోకానికి మహిళా దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. మరి బంధాలు బాంధవ్యాల కోసం ఎన్నో కష్టాలను అధిగమించి అన్ని బాధ్యతలను తన భుజాన మీద మోసుకుంటూ తన చుట్టూ ఉన్న వాతావరణాన్ని అలాగే తన ఇంటిని ఒక నందనవనంలా కాపాడుకుంటూ వస్తుంది నేటి మహిళా లోకానికి మరొకసారి మహిళా దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. మరి ఈరోజు మనం స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ని కలవబోతున్నాం. మరి అందరికీ ఇష్టమైన డివ్వి డివ్వి డివ్విటం నువ్వంటేనే నాకు ఇష్టం అంటూ మనందరికీ ఇష్టం అయిపోయిన ఇషా కొప్పికర్ మన హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్నారు. మరి తనతో అన్ని విశేషాలు షేర్ చేసుకుందాం. వెల్కమ్ టు హైదరాబాద్ ఇషా.
Thank you so much. I would like to wish all of you all and you too a very happy International Women's Day.
Thank you so much and you too. So after a long time we are seeing you.
Yes,
yes. So we are all fans since Chandralekha.
Yeah. Thank you so much Tollywood for always accepting me with open arms. It's really been such a beautiful journey with all of you all here. 15 years old, it doesn't seem as if it's 15 years. I feel the same.
Thanks a lot. Nice seeing you here. So well, as a Women's Day today, right? International Women's Day. So how do you define women empowerment?
See, first of all, I don't think women need to be empowered. I think they're powerful from the day they're born. So I would call it women empowerment. I think all of us have a special ability within us. We just need to tap that ability and use it in the right way. So we at Soul Connect Foundation help women tap their potential and help them make use of it in the right way.
So who is your female icon? Who inspires you?
Honestly, every woman there is a multitasker. I don't have my favorites. My mother, my aunties, I think Mother Teresa, Kiran Bedi. From our film industry, there's so many women. We have to take care of our families. Today women are on par with men. They fend for themselves. They work. They have 1,000 hands, 10 brains, taking care of their baby, taking care of the house, taking care of their work, their career. It's not easy, but they're all doing it. And they all are super women.
So you think that still there is equality between men and women on all phases?
You know what? The fight is not equality. I don't think it's a fight. I think we just have to I don't want comparisons. You know, women we tend to compare and we tend to think of it as a big fight. No, I don't think it's a fight for equality. I think we just have to be aware of what we are and understand our nature. God made us to take care. God made us to take care of our families. God made us to bring people together. So we should always remember that. We cannot try and be a man. You be a woman and be a strong woman.
Okay. Tell me some few tips for women for being healthy or fitness like you.
Well, first of all, you need a healthy mind and a healthy heart, and you need to be happy all the time. Or क्या बोलूँ? See, weight loss and all is a byproduct. आपकी lifestyle अच्छी होनी चाहिए. You need to eat good food. You need to meditate. You need to have time for yourself. And what else? Just that be happy, stay happy, love all, stay blessed.
Especially for men. So क्या message देते आप?
For women?
For men.
For men?
Yeah.
I think all the men out there, I wish you all also a very happy Women's Day. I don't believe that only women are feminists. I know a lot of women out there who are patriarchal and who are very anti-women. And I know a lot of men out there who have worked all their lives for women and those kind of communities and organizations. So for me, it's not being taking care of a woman or being a feminist is not biological. It's an ideology. So I respect all the men also out there who take care of their wives, their mothers, their daughters, and respect women. Respect women.
So message for women?
Message for women is respect yourself. You are born a woman, you're born powerful. love yourself, trust the ability that you have in you. Each one of you is beautiful in your own way. Tap that potential, make use of it in the fullest way. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఈషా, నైస్ టాకింగ్ టు యూ, గుడ్ లక్. వెల్, మరి చూసారు కదా, మనం చెప్పుకుంటూ ఉంటాం మెన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ మేక్స్ మ్యాన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అని. మరి వాట్ అబౌట్ విమెన్? విమెన్ ఆర్ బోర్న్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. సో హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ టు విమెన్. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ విమెన్స్ డే సందర్భంగా స్పెషల్లీ మనం ఈషా కోపికర్ని కలుసుకున్నాం. దట్స్ ఆల్. రాకేష్తో స్వాతి మైత్రేయ, NTV.